Hi everyone, welcome to the Droid G channel. Today's video will teach you how to fix Samsung phone stuck on charging screen. When the phone is connected to charge, we will see a lightning bolt symbol in the battery icon, which indicates that the phone is connected to the charger. We often miss the opportunity to charge our mobile phone. Over time, the mobile phone will automatically shut down due to low battery power, and after connecting the charger, it will take at least 5 minutes to turn on. If your Samsung phone is stuck on charging screen after flashing, stuck on 97% in charging, stuck in very slow charging mode, stuck on charging screen after uninstalling magisk. In these situations, it is common for Samsung mobile phones to get stuck on the charging screen. You may ask, what should I do if Samsung is stuck on the charging screen and does not move forward? Why is my Samsung phone showing charging but not charging? What to do when Samsung is stuck on charging screen? The charger is aged or damaged. The battery is old or damaged. Aging hardware is itself prone to problems. There is a problem with the charging port. Recently updated or installed apps had viruses that cause them to modify some programs on the phone. These reasons are easy to cause Samsung phone stuck on charging screen. Here are 30 ways to help you solve the problem of Samsung phone stuck on battery charging. If the following methods are helpful to you, you can click subscribe to get the latest news. Method 1 is to try an alternate charger. When you find that your Samsung mobile phone cannot be charged, you should first change another charger for your Samsung mobile phone. It may be due to the charger, the USB data cable is damaged, or the charging port itself is damaged, resulting in slow charging or no charging at all. Please check your charging port and use a spare charger to charge your phone. You can also try to connect the Android phone to the computer to check whether the charging is normal. Method 2 is to drain the battery or remove the battery. The charger and charging port are fine, but the Samsung screen still doesn't show anything, it's just stuck on charging. It's best to remove the charger and wait for the phone until the battery is completely drained and the device turns itself off. Depending on the remaining battery, you may have to wait hours or minutes for this to happen. Method 3 is to check for water and moisture. Your device will not charge if water or humidity is detected in the USB port. This is a measure to protect the device from damage and corrosion. If your device detects that water has entered the charging port, it will sometimes display a water drop icon on the screen above the charging port. If you see the water drop icon, make sure your device is turned off when it dries. Most moisture will evaporate on its own within a few hours, but you can also try blowing the port or exposing it to cool, dry air. If the water drop icon still does not disappear, make sure the charging port is dry. Try turning the device off and on again. Method 4 is to close background apps. Apps consume most of the battery life on your device. If you have a lot of apps open at the same time, they often run in the background and drain your battery. Please close all unnecessary applications while charging your phone. Method 5 is to force restart your Samsung phone. When Samsung phone stuck on charging screen, you can also try to force restart your Samsung phone. It may help you solve your problem. The combination button on Samsung phones is the power button and the volume down button. To perform a force restart, press and hold the phone's combination button for 10 to 15 seconds until it vibrates, or you can let go when you see the Samsung icon. At this time, please wait patiently for your Samsung mobile phone to restart and check whether the mobile phone can return to the main screen. Method 6 is to enter Samsung safe mode. If the above doesn't work for your phone, there may be an issue with an app. At this point, please run your Samsung phone in safe mode. Safe mode makes the phone run without any third-party apps. Please follow the steps below to enter safe mode. Press and hold the phone's power button. Once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, release the power button and hold the volume down button. Wait until your phone finishes restarting, and safe mode will appear in the lower left corner of your screen after the restart is complete. Please check in safe mode to see if the problem persists. If you are able to get back to the home screen at this point, there may be an issue with an app that you need to find and remove. Method 7 is to seek professional help. If you have tried all the above methods, but your phone is still stuck on the charging screen, then please take your phone to a Samsung store to have your Samsung phone checked and repaired by a professional. That's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like, share and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think there is room for improvement, you can also express your views and suggestions in the message area. Thanks. Good luck.